Webflow landing page, a step-by-step guide to future implementation. Hello and welcome. Today we are diving deep into the world of Webflow to show you exactly how to build a captivating and high-converting landing page. We'll explore each feature step by step, empowering you to create a professional online presence without any coding. Get ready to unlock the full potential of Webflow for your marketing goals. To begin your journey, the first step is creating a Webflow account. Head to webflow.com and sign up using either an email address or password or a Google account. Once verified, you will land on the dashboard, the main hub for managing all your web projects. When starting a new project, you can choose between a blank site or a pre-designed template. Either way, Webflow's visual builder ensures you are not confined by code limitations. Before diving into the design process, it's important to understand the Webflow designer interface. This is your control center for building any web project. At the core is the canvas, your main workspace for visual editing. To the left, the Elements panel houses all the drag and drop components you'll use to build your page, while the Style panel on the right allows for an in-depth customization of your design properties such as font, spacing, and layout. Understanding Webflow's building blocks is essential. Sections are vast, broad horizontal containers segmenting your content visually like chapters in a book. Within sections, containers help constrain the width of your content for better readability. For layout control, Webflow provides two key systems, Grid and Flexbox. The Grid system allows you to create multi-dimensional column and row-based designs ideal for structured content. Flexbox, on the other hand, is a one-dimensional layout tool excellent for aligning items in a single row or column, perfect for navigating bars or simple content arrangements. Knowing when to use Grid versus Flexbox is critical to building responsive and intuitive layouts. Next comes content. Text is foundational. Add headings from H1 to H6 to create hierarchy and boost SEO. Your H1 should deliver your core message clearly and powerfully. Use subheadings to organize supporting content and make it digestible. Paragraphs should be brief and to the point, and bullet points can help highlight key benefits. Maintain a conversational tone to engage users effectively. Use the Style panel to apply borders, shadows, or filters. To further boost engagement, embed videos using Webflow's video element. Whether you are linking a YouTube clip or uploading a background video, ensure it enhances rather than distracts. Set autoplay or looping where appropriate and consider the user's context and the device for best performance. Forms are essential for capturing leads. Add a form block and include fields such as text inputs, drop-downs, or checkboxes depending on your data needs. Keep it short, request only what's necessary, configure success and error message, and route submissions to your desired email or CRM tool. Use the Style panel to customize fonts, color, and focus states for a cohesive look. Perhaps the most vital interactive element is the call to action button. Add a button element, edit the text to be action-driven like a started or download now, and style it to stand out. Use contrasting colors, hover effects, and surrounding white space to make it unmistakable. Alternatively, link blocks offer more customization, allowing you to embed entire groups of style content within a clickable area. Webflow's responsive design tools let you optimize the page across all devices. Test and adjust breakpoints for desktops, tablets, and mobile phones. Hide or restyle elements as needed to ensure clarity and performance on every screen size. Adopt a mobile-first approach and always test on real device for the best results. Adding animation is the next step toward a dynamic, engaging user experience. Webflow's interaction panel lets you add animations based on triggers such as scrolling, hovering, or clicking. For example, fading elements as they scroll into view, or scale up buttons on hover for immediate feedback. Use transitions to ensure smooth effects and keep animation subtle to avoid overwhelming visitors. To further optimize your landing page, follow some essential best practices. Begin with a clear, impactful headline that communicates your value proposition in a few compelling words. Make your CTA button bold, visible, and urgent. This is your conversion point, so don't let it blend in. Include social proof to build trust. Testimonials, reviews, client logs, and case studies show that real people have benefited from your offer. Improve speed by compressing images, minimizing code, and enabling caching. A fast loading page not only pleases users but also ranks better in search engines. In conclusion, building a high converting landing page in Webflow is a process that combines strategic planning, smart structure, engaging content, and thoughtful user experience. With its powerful visual tools and no-code flexibility, Webflow empowers anyone to create beautiful, functional landing pages that drive results. Whether you are a marketer, entrepreneur, or creative professional, mastering Webflow unlocks the ability to bring your digital vision to life and to turn visitors into customers one landing page at a time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more insights.